If you're looking for dog toys in bulk, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover's most popular dog toys in bulk. Number 1, most popular, by Lobeve. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by PetSport. Number 3, by Nolsen. For more dog toys in bulk, just click this circle. Number 4, by Livin. Number 5, by Mammoth. Find these dog toys in bulk at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Htkj. Number 7, by Classic Media. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Doggie. Number 9, by Plush. Discover more dog toys in bulk ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Htkj.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.